Alright, well, I broke my traffic cone mold. That's okay. It served me well. I got a bunch of blocks out of here. Unfortunately, this time, she didn't make it. Boy, does this thing smell like soap. That first mix with all the Dawn, it's something else. But, you know, I think it'll be interesting to see how this thing holds up once I put it outside. You know, I'm going to build a brick wall and use this as a cornerstone. I've done these blocks before, and this is the typical pattern I would get as far as the surface goes, but there are, you know, some bigger cracks. I think water and ice might chew that up over time. Make it look nice and rustic though. So that's it. This baby, about 125 pounds, Portland cement and Dawn soap. I am very much looking forward to doing a block similar to this. I'm going to have to remake my mold and probably come up with a better idea than a traffic cone. But I am going to be doing something similar with just that formulation that I came up with and see how that turns out. But otherwise, you know, I want to give definitely want to thank Nighthawk for inspiring me and others to try another Aircrete recipe. Till next time.